Hello children, I hope you all must have understood well previous two chapters. Today I am going to start new chapter, that is chapter 6, integers. Let's start with the definition of integers. Integers are defined as the set of all whole numbers with a negative set of natural numbers. For example, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. According to definition, integers are the collection of whole number and negative set of natural numbers. As you can see in example, from 0 till infinity, we will get a set of whole number, and before 0, we will get a negative set of natural numbers. Now, we will understand how to represent integers on number line. As you can see in the figure, number line is divided into three parts: negative integers, 0, and positive integers. Positive integers are always represented on the right side of 0 on the number line, while negative integers are always represented on the left side of 0 on the number line. Conclusion of integer. First, every positive integer is larger than every negative integer. Second, 0 is less than every positive integer. Third, 0 is larger than every negative integer. Fourth, 0 is neither a negative integer nor a positive integer. Fifth, farther a number from 0 on the right, larger is its value. Sixth, farther a number from 0 on the left, smaller is its value. That means as we go to the left side of the 0, we will get negative number, and that is smaller than 0. And as we go to the right side of the 0, we will get positive number, that is greater than 0. We can use many terms in our real life which show the use of integer. In business, we use profit or loss. In banks, we use credit amount and debited amount. In height with respect to sea level, we use above sea level and below sea level. And in temperature, we use temperature above 0 degree and temperature below 0 degree. Profit, credit amount, above sea level and temperature above 0 degree. These all are shows the positive integer. Loss, debited amount, below sea level, temperature below 0 degree. These all shows the negative integer. Now let's understand absolute value of an integer. Absolute value of an integer is the value of the integer without considering its sign. Absolute value of plus n is n, and absolute value of minus n is n. That means while finding the absolute value of an integer, we never consider the sign. We only consider the value. Let's understand with this example. Write the absolute value of the integer minus 8 and plus 75. Absolute value of minus 8 is 8 because here we consider only value, that is 8. Absolute value of plus 75 is 75. Now let's start exercise 6.1, question number 1. Write opposite of the following. Before starting this question, we will revise some opposite words that you have already studied in your previous class in English grammar. Opposite of increase, decrease, opposite of north, south, opposite of east, west, opposite of loss, gain, opposite of above, below. Now let's continue this question by using these opposite words. First part, increase in weight, the answer will be decrease in weight. Second part, 30 km north, the answer will be 30 km south. Third part, 80 meter east, the answer will be 80 meter west. Fourth part, loss of rupees 700, the answer will be gain of rupees 700. Fifth part, 100 meter above sea level, answer will be 100 meter below sea level. Now let's continue question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. First part, an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. In this sentence, above represent positive sense. So the answer will be plus 2000 meter. Second part, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. Here, below represents negative sense. So the answer will be minus 800 meter. Third part, a deposit of rupees 200. Here deposit represents positive sense, so the answer will be plus rupees 200. Fourth part, withdrawal of rupees 700. Here withdrawal represent negative sense, so the answer will be minus rupees 700. Now let's understand question 3. Represent the following numbers on a number line: plus 5, minus 10, plus 8, minus 1, minus 6. Before starting this question, we will understand how to represent integers on a number line. In order to represent integers on a number line, we draw a line and mark a point O almost in the middle of it, as shown in the figure. Now, set of equal distances on the right hand side as well as on the left hand side of O. On the right side of O, label the points of subdivision as 1, 2, 3, etc. and the point O as 0. Since negative integers are opposite of positive integers, that is natural number, so we represent negative integers in the opposite direction, that is on the left side of O on the number line. On the left side of point O, label the points of subdivision by minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. as shown in figure. That means for drawing a number line, firstly we have to represent O, that is 0, in the middle. After that we will draw subdivisions, that is 1, 2, 3 on the right hand side and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 on the left side of the 0. Then we will represent that numbers on the number line. You don't need to write this explanation. I have written this to explain how to represent integers on number line. You only represent the numbers on number line and also denotes with capital letters like A, B, C, D, E and so on. Now let's understand question number 4. Adjacent figure is the vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. A part. If point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? As we can see in the number line, point D is located above from point O. So for getting minus 8, we have to move in the opposite direction of point D, that is in downward direction. After moving 8 steps from point O in downward direction, we will reach at F. So the answer of this question will be F. B part. Is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? As we can see in the number line, above of point O we are having positive integers and below of point O we are having negative integers, and G lies below from point O, so it is a negative integer. C. Write integers for point B and E. As we can see in the number line, B lies 4 steps above from point O, so it represents 4, and E lies 10 steps below from point O, so it represents minus 8. D part. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? In number line, we are having last number, that is E, so it represents the least value. So the least value on this number line is point E, as it represents minus 10. E part. Arrange all the points in descending order of value. The points in descending order of value are D, C, B, A, O, H, G, F and E. Always keep in mind we have to start counting from O only. Now let's understand question number 5. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Siachen 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius, Shimla 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius, Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius, Delhi 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius, Srinagar 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. A part. Following the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. As we know that below represent negative integers and above represent positive integers. So the temperature of Siachen is minus 10 degrees Celsius, the temperature of Shimla is minus 2 degrees Celsius, the temperature of Ahmedabad is plus 30 degrees Celsius, the temperature of Delhi is plus 20 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Srinagar is minus 5 degrees Celsius. B part. Following is the number line representing the temperatures in degrees Celsius. In this question part, we have given a number line on which we have given a number like 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15 and so on. And on the right side of 0 we have given 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. And we have to represent these temperatures on the number line. Siachen minus 10 degrees Celsius. So at minus 10 we will write Siachen. Shimla minus 2 degrees Celsius. But on the number line we have not given minus 2. So we will represent minus 2 on the number line. Firstly see, between 0 and minus 5 we have given 4 subdivisions. First subdivision represent minus 1, second subdivision represent minus 2, third subdivision represent minus 3 and fourth subdivision represent minus 4. Always remember that start the counting of subdivision from left side. So second subdivision represent minus 2. We will write here Shimla. Ahmedabad plus 30 degrees Celsius. At plus 30 we will write Ahmedabad. Delhi plus 20 degrees Celsius. At plus 20 we will write Delhi. Srinagar minus 5 degrees Celsius. At minus 5 we will write Srinagar. C part, which is the coolest place. In question we have given 5 temperature minus 10, minus 5, plus 30, plus 20 and minus 2. And we have to find coolest place. We know that coolest place is that place which is having the lowest temperature, and according to the integers definition, positive integers are greater than negative integers. So we will consider only negative integers for finding the coolest place, that is minus 10, minus 5 and minus 2. Now you must think about minus 2, but you are wrong, because in negative integers which number is greater, that number is smaller in negative integer. So the coolest place is Siachen, where the temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius. D part. Write the names of the place where temperature are above 10 degrees Celsius, that is plus 20 degrees Celsius and plus 30 degrees Celsius. That means the answer of this part is Delhi and Ahmedabad. Now let's understand question number 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? As we know that negative numbers always represent on the left side of 0 and positive number always represent on the right side of 0, and negative number is always smaller than the positive numbers. And we also know that smaller number is always on the left of the greater number. First part 2, 9. Here 9 is greater than 2, so 9 is on the right of 2 on the number line. B part minus 3, minus 8. Here both are negative, so minus 3 is greater than minus 8, and it is the number that represent on the right of minus 8 on the number line. C part 0, minus 1. Here 0 is greater than minus 1, so 0 is on the right of minus 1 on the number line. D part minus 11, 10. Here 10 is greater than minus 11. So 10 is on the right of minus 11 on the number line. E part minus 6, 6. Here 6 is greater than minus 6. So 6 is on the right of minus 6 on the number line. F part 1, minus 8. Here 1 is greater than minus 100. So 1 is on the right of minus 100 on the number line. Question number 7. Write all the integers between the given pairs. First part 0 and minus 7. All the integers between 0 and minus 7 in the increasing order are minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. B part minus 4 and 4. All the integers between minus 4 and 4 in the increasing order are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. C and D part is same as it is. So I am giving you as a homework. Try to understand. Now let's understand question number 8. A part. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Here we have to write greater than minus 20, which we will get after addition. So 4 negative integers greater than minus 20 are minus 20 plus 1, minus 20 plus 2, minus 20 plus 3 and minus 20 plus 4. That is minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. B part. Write 4 negative integers are less than 10 and that we will get after subtraction. So 4 negative integers less than minus 10 are minus 10 minus 1, comma minus 10 minus 2, comma minus 10 minus 3 and minus 10 minus 4. That is minus 11, comma minus 12, comma minus 13 and minus 14. Question number 9. For the following statement, write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. A part. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. It's true. B part. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on a number line. It's false because minus 100 is smaller than minus 50. So, minus 100 is to the left of minus 50 on the number line. C part. Smaller negative integers is minus 1. It's false because greater negative integers is minus 1, not smaller negative integers. D part. Minus 26 is larger than minus 25. It's false. The correct statement should be minus 26 is smaller than minus 25. Now, let's understand question number 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. First part. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? Firstly, we will draw a number line as you can see and then we will move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. After moving 4 steps, we will reach at 2. So the answer of this question will be 2. Second part. Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? As you can see, firstly we will draw a number line and start to move from 1. And after moving 5 steps to the left of 1, we will reach at minus 4. So our answer of this question will be minus 4. C part. If we are at minus 8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 13? As we know that in negative integer, the number which has least value as a counting, it is greater in the negative integer. So minus 8 is greater than minus 13. So we have to move to the left side to reach minus 13 from minus 8. As we can see in the number line from minus 8 to reach minus 13, we have to move 4 steps. So answer of this question, minus 13 lies to the left of minus 8 on the number line, hence we should move towards left direction. D part. If we are at minus 6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? As we know that minus 6 is less than minus 1. So we have to move right side to reach minus 1. Now we can see in the number line. In number line, as we start from the minus 6 and to reach minus 1, we have to move 5 steps. So answer of this question, minus 1 lies to the right of minus 6 on the number line, so we should move towards right direction.